All right, everybody, how are you? I'm Orlando, your head trader here at Learn to Trade, and today I'm going to do something that I haven't done. Uh, Actually, never. I have never done this. I'm going to show you how good the F1 strategy is on just today's setups. Today, the F1 strategy yield 20R. That means that if you're risking 0.5%, the F1 strategy overall yield 10%. Of course, that you are not going to take every single one of the trades, but I want to show you how powerful the strategy really is. So, why don't we go ahead and look at the charts? All right, traders. So before I start, right, the F1 strategy is a semi-automated strategy with a given set of rules that can be applied to any market, right? This strategy, you don't have to be a seasoned trader to apply it. It's very simple, but you have to be disciplined enough to only take the best possible setups. So what's cool about the F1 strategy is that it gives you your entry zones with these orange lines and your targets with these green lines right here. The first setup was on the GBP USD. It yields 4.6R. Right, and if you notice, the F1 strategy nailed this trade in the sense that it hit target right before it dropped all the way to the 2330 level. So that's a big win for the F1 strategy during the London session. Now, the Euro Swiss franc was a wider F1 strategy setup. Personally, I wouldn't have taken this because there were much better setups, but I want to go through all of them. This one yield about 1.24R. Now, on the Japanese yen side, we had the CAD yen and the Aussie yen. The CAD yen yield about a 1.5R, 1.4R, and still moving up. But on the Japanese yen side, I would have definitely taken this Aussie yen that yield exactly. Now it's hitting targets at the moment, guys. Nailed the F1 strategy for a 2.5R. Again, I'm not going to tell you what indicators I'm using, what are these lines, etc., because that's the whole point of the F1 strategy. It's only for people that pay for it, right? It's a one-time payment, guys, and if you use the code LOVEF1, you're going to get 30% off. The link is in the description of this video, and if you buy into the F1 strategy, guys, then you get full lifetime access to the F1 strategy chat. This is an actual chat where you can discuss F1 strategy setups with me and with the other 26 F1 strategy traders. Now, the GBP Aussie today yield a very, very nice 2.15R. And the cool thing about the F1 strategy is that within the actual set of rules, there is one of them that you use to avoid fake outs like this. It's an amazing strategy that I developed. It took me 1 year to develop, and it's the strategy that I most use for my daily trading. And but not least, the F1 strategy long on the US 30, it would not have been the one that I would have taken, but it's still running at 2.15R. The one that I would have taken would have been this one on the NASDAQ. Just have a look at this, just hit targets. And again, because the F1 strategy has this rule within it that to avoid fake outs, the actual R on this trade would have been 4R, right? And the last one that I want to show you, same thing, avoiding the fake out pre-market, This is insanely accurate. Now the S&P 500 is running at a 3R trade, and this is the F1 strategy. If you are looking for a semi-automated strategy, this is the one for you guys. Any questions, just leave it on the comments.